Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to delete a group on WhatsApp. If you're an admin of a group and you'd like to delete the group, then follow along till the end of the video. Launch the WhatsApp application open on your device and make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you're inside the main chat screen of WhatsApp, go ahead and scroll through your chats and find the group that you want to delete and tap on it. After opening up the group, go to the top section of the group and tap on the group's name, which will then open up the group info section. Scroll all the way down and get to the members tab. Before deleting the group, as an admin, make sure to remove all the participants that you've added from the group. Go ahead and choose the participants under member and click on remove from group. Repeat the steps for every other participants, and once you are done removing all the members from the group, scroll all the way down and tap on exit group. If you just want to exit the group, click on exit group, whereas if you want to exit and delete the group, tap on exit and delete for me. Right after you do that, you will see this pop up, click on delete, and you have now successfully deleted the group on WhatsApp. The group will no longer appear in your chats and it is completely removed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.